Hello, my beautiful people. Want your best hair ever? I've got you. Start with a good oil massage once or twice a week. Castor oil and rosemary oil are powerhouses. Mix a few drops of rosemary with a carrier like jojoba or coconut oil and massage your scalp regularly to boost blood flow and help hair grow stronger. Focus shampoo on your scalp only, not the ends, to preserve moisture. Use a mild sulfate-free shampoo and don't forget conditioner. It keeps your hair soft and happy. Always apply conditioner from the mid-length to the ends, never on your scalp. Use cool water for the final rinse. It helps seal the hair cuticle and adds natural shine. Pat dry with a soft towel and use a wide-tooth comb. A good hair serum is essential to seal moisture and smooth out your strands. Apply a few drops to damp hair after towel drying. Your hair loves proteins like eggs, fish, and chicken, which help your hair grow strong. Healthy fats like nuts, seeds, avocados, and coconut keep your hair shiny and nourished. Biotin-rich foods like eggs, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Iron and zinc like leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and dates prevent hair fall. Vitamin C foods like oranges, amla, and lemons help your body absorb iron and keep your scalp healthy. Drink plenty of water. Dehydration can make your hair dull and dry. Remember, a healthy body equals healthy hair. Follow these easy tips and you're on your way to your best hair ever. Let me know your favorite hair tip in the comment. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Take care, stay happy, and remember, small steps make a big difference. See you in the next one.